All right, we're working on the standard of telling time in hours and half hours using analog, which are the clocks with the face that are circles that have the hour hand and the minute hand, and digital clocks that are like our alarm clocks. So our learning targets are I can tell and write the time to the hour and half hour so that I can tell the time, and I am successful when using a model of a clock. I can tell the time to the nearest hour and half hour. So let's look at these clocks. These are analog clocks. You've got your minute hand is longer and your hour hand is shorter. I kind of think of it as hour is a shorter word and minute is a longer word. So our hour is at the top of the hour, which would usually be 00 on the right of these two dots called colon. And then the minute hand, the hour hand is on the 9. So this time is showing me that it is 9 o'clock. Here, my minute hand is on the 12, which gives me the minutes of 00 to the right of my colon, and then my hour hand points to 2, so this time it is 2 o'clock. Now if it was 12 o'clock, the hour hand would be pointing up like this to the 12. All right, next one, the minute hand again on 12, so we've got this two double zeros. And then our hour hand is on 5. If it was 3 o'clock, your hour hand would look like this. Last one for the hour, is this clock, which is what I just said. I just showed you the picture over here. The minute hand, the longest hand is on 12. The hour hand is also on 12, so this is 12 o'clock. If it was 8 o'clock, the hour hand would look a little bit like that. All right, now we're going to look at to the half hour. So here we have the times, 3:30, 5:30, 6:30. We've got to match them up to the clocks over here. The trick to this is this hour hand is going to be between 2 hours in the middle when it's a half hour or when it's 30 minutes. But you go back to the smallest hour or the smallest number. So for example here, I know it's 30 and it's between 5 and 6. So this time tells me that it is 5:30, or this clock tells me it's 5:30. Now this one is still on the 30, but the hand is between 6 and 7, which is going to tell me this is 6:30, because it would go, it's like you're looking at the hour that is earlier. Okay, so now we're going to this one. The minute hand is on the 6, which means 30. This one is between the 3 and the 4, so it is 3:30. Over here, this tells me it's 30 minutes, which all of these have. Between the 4 and the 5, I'm going to go to the earlier hour, which is 4, and this shows me 4:30. This one is between 8 and 9, again 30. It's going to go to the earlier hour, which is 8 o'clock, so this matches up to 8:30. And then our last clock here is also a 30, between 10 and 11. I'm going to the earlier hour, which is 10, to 10:30.